I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Rowifi Discord. First, you will need to invite the Rowifi bot to your Discord server. You can find an invite link through the official Rowifi documentation or by searching within Discord's app directory. Once invited, authorize the bot, ensuring it has the required permissions to manage roles and nicknames. This initial step is crucial for the bot to function correctly within your server. After inviting the bot, it is important to grant Rowifi the necessary permissions. This typically includes managing roles and nicknames, which allows the bot to assign verified roles and update usernames. The primary command to start configuring your server is setup. This command guides you through the initial steps of linking your Roblox group and setting up basic verification. For more advanced management, the Rowifi dashboard offers a user-friendly interface. Rowifi's core function is to verify Roblox accounts and manage roles. Users will interact with the bot to link their Roblox profile, which then allows the bot to assign roles based on their Roblox group membership or rank. You can create rank binds for specific Roblox ranks, group binds for general group membership, and even custom binds for more unique conditions. This ensures that your Discord server accurately reflects your Roblox community structure. Rowifi offers several advanced features to enhance your server. You can set up a dedicated channel for Rowifi logs, which records all bot actions for easy monitoring. Nickname templates allow for personalized usernames after verification, such as including their Roblox username. For comprehensive information and troubleshooting, consult the official Rowifi documentation. Additionally, joining the Rowifi support server provides access to a helpful community and direct assistance from the bot's developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.